Welcome back to the homestead, everybody. Today we got a fun little video for you. We're gonna be taking this mailbox that we found at a local antique shop and we're gonna turn it into a garden tool container storage.
It never fails, I'll be in the garden. I'm looking for tomato clips, some twine, the pruning shears, a little shovel, my gardening gloves, and they're nowhere to be found.
That's because it's my fault. I lose everything.
And so this is an idea that we've had for a couple years. We've seen other people do it and we wanted to do it ourselves, and we found this mailbox for $15 at an antique shop just the other day, and today we're gonna get her done.
So we're gonna start by spray painting this whole mailbox white. We really wanted it to match our garden shed that you see in the background there. It's like a lavender purple color with white trim, and so we're gonna be doing the mailbox and the stand in white, and then we're gonna be doing the flag in that kind of lilac purple color. So let's jump right into this project and get started. One thing about these mailboxes, if you get kind of a newer, cheaper model like this one is, they have these little clips. So you have the outside plastic that holds the flag on. Since we're painting this purple, we want to take it off because we're spray painting. So all you got to do is there's a little black clip you pull backwards, and that's it.
Just like that.
Just like that, whole thing falls off. So there's your hardware, and then there's an O-ring still in the grass that goes around there. One thing you got to keep in mind when you're spray painting, to lay it on real thin. We're gonna do, I don't know, 2 coats probably. This is paint and primer in one, so helps a little bit for coverage. So one cool application about using a mailbox in our raised bed garden is, obviously we have the nook out here. This is a heated and cooled, peaceful spot to come, relax, read. And so we're gonna put the mailbox in front of the nook. I wanted to concrete ours into the ground because I don't want any issues in the future with you know, the kids pushing on it or someone, climbing up it. My wife's climbing in the background. One of the kids climbing up it and the thing falling over. So we're gonna cement it in with about 80 pounds of concrete.
Their dahlias might die this week if they don't get watered.
Yeah, they gotta get watered. A little bit this way. It looks good like this way. Yeah, that's a good spot for it. All right, we got our hole dug. All I really wanted to do was get it so that that piece of the metal that goes this way is underneath the concrete. That'll give it some rigidity going back and forth this way. We're gonna go ahead, level this thing, and cement it in. All right, so to square and level this, we're gonna use a level here, and then we're gonna go ahead and pour our concrete in. We're just gonna fill this hole halfway up, and then once it's halfway full, we're gonna level it out. Just gonna slowly water it in. And then as you water it, you can take like a piece of rebar or a pole or a post or something. And then we're just gonna pour the rest of this bag in.
Silence brings. Remember when we used to pick flowers for decorating back at your place. showers of flowers that I've been laying down on your grave. Still can't let you go.
Alright, so our concrete's dry enough. We're going to take some soil, kind of put it back around the base. Step on it a little bit. And we'll put some mulch on top. All right, so we got our painted flag and our tools. I'm gonna gently open this because our cement's not all the way dry. All right, so we got our O-ring on, tool. Goes right back in. You take this little tooth thing and hear it clicking.
Oh, it's cute.
Like that. We'll probably leave this up permanently.
So I was thinking about how we were going to decorate this mailbox, and I personally am not quite the artist with paints, and Adam's great at design but not painting either. So I was like, well, maybe we can get some magnets for the thing. And so I was just Googling magnets, flower magnets, garden magnets, and I actually found a mailbox magnet, a cover that is magnetic and covers your mailbox. There are a plethora of them online. I was specifically searching on Amazon just for quick shipping. And so we got this one. I loved all the colors, but there are dozens and dozens and dozens of other designs. And so we're gonna put this one and see if we like it. It's pretty easy to install. It's got a magnetic bottom. So I'm gonna line it.
Right down here is a magnet.
I'm gonna line it
And then
up.
it's just a piece of cloth that goes around the center.
It's got a cutout for your flag. All right, I like it. It's bright, it's colorful, just like I wanted it to be. If you're interested in getting one of these, there's a link in the description below.
I don't wanna come on too strong, yeah. I'm always worried I'll stay too long, but what's on your mind tonight? I love it when we can laugh together. That kind of thing, it just makes me feel better. I'm gonna give this just one try. Or what if I told you you took my breath away? And what if I told you I wish that I could stay? Is it a mistake?
All right, guys, that is a wrap. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. It matches the nook and the whole garden atmosphere over here. And my wife is gonna love it because now we're not gonna lose all of our tools. Like I always seem to put tools everywhere. This is a great addition to any garden. If you seem to leave your tools around, if you leave them out and they get rusty, well, you're gonna wanna do something like this. A storage place that they stay nice and dry. Anyway, guys, hope you learned something new today. Hope we inspired you to get into the garden. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it, and hit all. You'll receive all of our notifications when we release videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.